Josh with Magnum Property Management here. Here are the top reasons why smart investors like you choose Magnum. Number one is communication. We pride ourselves on communication. It's the basis of every long-lasting relationship. It's what we do best. We take a hands-on approach and look at each house and adjust for its specific needs. Every house is unique, and we're going to create an action plan to ensure the highest level of service. We stay up to date on market trends by evaluating consumer needs, rental price adjustments, and any other factors that might affect renting your home. We hold strong vendor relationships. It's one of the main reasons we're successful. We hope that these relationships are passed down to you so that you can be ensured that your home is being taken care of properly. We've designed a flat fee structure for our business model. A lot of our competitors love to do percentages. We just don't believe in it. We rely heavily on technology to ensure accuracy. This goes hand in hand with us staying on top of our communication. And lastly, our in-house departments. We have marketing, leasing, accounting, and maintenance. It's our way of ensuring consistency, and it also provides a direct line to resolving the issues. Here at Magnum, we offer full-service property management and are well-equipped to handle all the issues that we just spoke about. If there's anything that we can do for you or your friends or family, please let us know. We'll be glad to help.